Want to rename hundreds of files in seconds? Let Python do it for you. Here's a simple script to rename every file in a folder. We start by importing Python's built-in OS module. It helps us work with files and folders. Next, we define the folder path that contains the files. Now we loop through every file in the folder using enumerate. This gives us a file name and a number, like 0, 1, 2, for each file. os.path splitExt splits the file name and the extension. We keep just the extension, like .jpg or .png, to use in the new name. Now we create a new name. These two lines combine the folder name with the old and new file names to create full paths. Finally, we rename each file from its old name to the new one. That's it. You've just renamed hundreds of files in seconds using Python. Like and follow for more smart coding tricks.